Connecting words because, so, although, even though. The connecting words because, so, although, and even though show the relationship in meaning between two clauses.
We stayed home because it was snowing. I finished my work, so I left early.
Use because to give a reason for something.
I got scared because I was lost.
Notice that because can also start a sentence.
Because I was lost, I got scared.
Use so to show a result.
The traffic was terrible, so we missed our flight.
Use although and even though to show surprise at the statement in the main clause.
She went to work even though she was sick. Although she was sick, she went to work anyway.